In this video, I'll show you how to transfer stocks from Robinhood to Webull, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. In order to transfer your stocks from Robinhood to Webull, first open your Robinhood app and get your account number. Tap the person icon in the bottom right corner. Go to Settings, then tap on Account Information. At the top of the screen, you'll see your account number. Write that down, because you'll need it. Next, open the Webull app and go to your main account screen. Select the account you want to transfer the stocks into. For example, your individual account. Tap the transfer icon, located midway down the screen. Then tap on Transfer Stocks into Webull. Choose Robinhood from the list of brokers. Enter your Robinhood account number in the Delivery Account Number field. Select your account type, such as individual account. Choose whether you want a full transfer or a partial transfer. If you have options, select the positions you want to transfer. Acknowledge the transfer fee shown on the screen. Then, tap Submit Stock Transfer Request. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.